Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy guide on how to track FedEx package online. So I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step guide on how you can easily track FedEx package online. So the first thing to do is to find your tracking number. So check your FedEx receipt confirmation email or shipping label. The tracking number is usually 12 to 15 digits long, and once you have it, go to the FedEx tracking page. Then open your browser and visit www.fedex.com/FedEx track. Then enter your tracking number, then or paste or type the tracking number into the tracking box on the page website. Then click track. Then hit the track button, and you will see the real-time update, including the shipping status and also the current location of your package with the estimated delivery date and time. And that's it. Hope you find the video a little bit more helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks.